Hi everyone. Look at this sentence. I'm interested learning English. What word do you think should go in the blank? Option A, on. Option B, at. Option C, in. Option D, for. Now you have 10 seconds to choose the correct option. Why option C is correct? The correct collocation is interested in. In English, some adjectives are naturally followed by specific prepositions. And you usually have to learn them as a pair. So we say, I'm interested in music. She's interested in science. They're interested in learning English. Why the other options are wrong? A, on, wrong. Interested on is not correct English in this meaning. On is used for things like on the table, on Monday, on the bus, depend on, focus on. But interested on is not a standard structure. So, I'm interested on learning English is incorrect. B, at, wrong. At is used for location, at the mall, at home. Skill level, good at, bad at. Direction, look at. So interested at doesn't match any correct grammar pattern. So, I'm interested at learning English is incorrect. D, for, wrong. For is usually used for purpose, this is for you. Duration, for 2 hours. Desire, ready for, famous for. Reason/exchange, thanks for the help, pay for it. But interested for is not used to mean curious about / wanting to know. So, I'm interested for learning English is incorrect. Key takeaway. Memorize. Interested in plus noun/verb, ing. Examples. Interested in English. Interested in learning English. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share it. Also, write your opinion in the comments below. I'd really love to read them. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe now. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.